Hello everyone, welcome to this video lecture. Today is topic on find the mean median mode under the continuous series. Before solving any problem, first and foremost we have to understand the formula of mean median mode under the continuous series, which is very important for the exam point of view. It is a 14 marks question. Mean is equal to x bar is equal to sigma fx divided by n. Median is equal to, n by 2 divided, n by 2. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into I. Mode formula: modal class is equal to highest frequency. Mode is denoted by Z. Z is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2. Here L is nothing but a lower limit of the class interval. F1 is nothing but a preceding the frequency of model class. F0 is the frequency of model class. F2 is succeeding the frequency of model class. Let us move to the formula. Let us move for the problem. In the problem, they have clearly given find the mean median mode under the continuous series. Here class intervals 100 to 90, 90 to 80, 80 to 70, 70 to 60, 60 to 50, 50 to 40, then 40 to 30. Frequency they have given. The first and foremost, we have to understand that whether they have given class interval or properly or not. Here class interval they have not given in a order wise. So we have to take it in the minimum 30 to 40, 40 to 50. It's like ascending order. So here we'll take it, this is a, we'll take it 30 to 40, that is a frequency of 30 to 48, then 40 to 50 19, 50 to 60 63, 60 to 70 80, 70 to 80 47, 80 to 90 16, 90 to 100 7. This is the method what we have, how we can arrange the order wise. After this one, then we'll go for the to find out the mid value or midpoint, x. How to find out the x? The very simple, the lower value plus higher value of the class interval. 30 is lower value, 40 is higher value. 30 plus 40 70, 70 divided by 2, that becomes 35. This is the midpoint of the class interval, first class interval. After that, the second one as it is, 40 plus 50 divided by 2, 45. Means if you add 5 for the lower limit of the class interval, that will get the x value. After that, before solving the problem, what is the mean formula? The mean formula is x bar is equal to sigma fx divided by n. First and foremost, we have to find out the sigma fx value. Then obviously n is nothing but a number of frequency. What is the frequency value? That is what n. Fx value already we know, this is the 15,350. 15,350 is the fx value. So formula is x bar is equal to sigma fx, bar is not there here. X bar is equal to fx divided by n. Fx value is 15,350 divided by 240. That is what n. Answer is 63.95, almost 64. We run out. This is what mean. Followed by median. The median formula is n by 2 term. Then median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into I. Here we have to find out the cumulative frequency. See, either you have to write it in the same table, or you can make it in a separate table for median. That is your choice. When you have the choice, choose the best. Otherwise, do the best. Here, cumulative frequency, we have to add frequency. First one is 8. You can take it as it is 8. Again, we have to add next year. Next cash. Next one is a F. That is a 19. 19 plus 8, 27. Then 27, 16, 63 is 90, 93 plus 80, 170, 170 plus 47. It's a 217, and so on. 16 add, we can 233, 233 plus 7 240, right? That is a 240. What is the this is what cumulative frequency. Here already we know that median formula, that is n by 2. N is nothing but 240 divided by 2. I mean 1/20th term of the median class. Look at here, 1/20th of the median class here. See, 1/20th means after 120, which one is there? 170, right? 170 we have to select this area. Here 170 is the median class. So what we can do, 90 is the here CF, cumulative frequency. Okay, then frequency is 80, that we have taken here. I'll show you now. And lower value of this one 60, right, which we selected, that is the that area, that is we have selected this area, right? This is the lower limit of the class interval. Okay, this is the higher limit, not necessary to take it. This is what lower limit of the class interval. This is what frequency. Okay, and this 90 is the cumulative frequency that we have shown in the formula. According to that, we have to calculate L. Already we know it's a 60 plus n by 2 is nothing but 240 divided by 2, 120, which we already taken. Okay, minus CF. CF already I show you 90 divided by CF. That is what cumulative frequency is 80 into 10. 10 is class interval differences between the CI. Right. After that, we have to calculate 60 as it is. You can take it. Then 120 minus 90, that become 30 divided by 80 into 10. The 60 as it is, you can take it, plus 30 divided by 80 is 0.375 into 10. That is class interval. Okay. Then again, you take as it is 60 plus 0.375 into 10 is equal to 3.75. Then 60 plus 3.75, median is equal to 63.75, almost 64. It's in a median. Okay, let us move to the next one, the mode. The mode is denoted by Z. Okay, first and foremost we have to find out the mode. Mode is the equal to maximum number of the frequency, which is the maximum number of the frequency in this. 80 is the maximum number of the frequency, that what we selected here. This is the maximum number of the frequency. Okay, of course, just we'll look at here in the, what is the formula of mode. Mode is denoted by Z. Z is equal to L plus, L is L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into I. F1 already I told you, this is the preceding the frequency of the model class. Then F1 is a model, I mean frequency of the model class. Then F0 is succeeding the, succeeding the frequency of model class. Here 80 is the F1, then 63 is the F0, preceding the frequency of model class. Then this is succeeding the frequency of model class. Okay, then this is what frequency, and this is the lower limit of the class interval that we have taken in the problem. Just look at here, the formula L. L is a lower limit of the class interval, that 60 we have taken. F1 value is 80, F0 is 63 divided by 2 into F1 is 80, F0 is 63, F2 is 47, which already discussed, into I is nothing but class interval difference is 10. Okay, 60 as it is, you can take it, plus 80 minus 63, that is a 17, and so divided by 2. Okay, sorry, 80 minus 63, 17 divided by 2 into 80, that is 160 minus 63 minus 47. Okay, then you can take it as it is 60 plus here 17 divided by, if you deduct 160 minus 63 minus 47, then it become a 50. Okay, then put it as it is into 10. Then 60 as it is, you can take it here, plus 17 divided by 50 is nothing but 0.34 into 10. Again we have to take it 60 as it is, 60 0.34 into 10, it become a 3.4. Then mode is equal to 63.4. This is the answer. This is the 14 marks questions for exam point of view. 100% they may ask in the section C. That's why I hope before concluding this problem, just what we want to find out, we want to find out the mean, median, mode under the continuous series. Okay, the first in the class interval, if they have not arranged properly or in the ascending order, we have to make it in a proper arrangement from lower to higher. After that, you can take as it is frequency. Then find out the midpoint, that is what, x. Now we got the x value, you as well as f value already they have given, then you have to multiply both, then fx value will get it. In the fx value, the formula of fx, mean formula is fx divided by n. Fx value you can take, n value you can take, then you will get the answer. In the followed by the mean, then median. Median is the formula is very simple, n by tooth term. Okay, what is the n that we have taken, and n by tooth value we got it. After that we select the cf area, then finally we can go according to the formula, we got the solution. Even the mode also very simple. Mode is maximum frequency, we can take it. Maximum frequency in this problem, this I think it's the 80, right? Yeah, 80. This is the 80, we have selected this all area already, we have done this one. Okay, this is what f1, this is f not, this is f2. Okay, this is the lower limit of the class interval. According to that, according to the formula, z is equal to l plus f1 minus f0 divided by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into I. If you take the same value as it is, then you will get the answer. This is the mean, median and mode problems under the continuous series. Thank you very much.